Now, Indy's police union is launching a new campaign to highlight the need for more officers.
And they're doing this and getting their message across in a pretty unique way. Our Anna Chalker shows us this giant sign of the times.
Right before the West Street exit on I-70 East, there's a new billboard that says, "We can't help if we're not there." And Indy FOP says they placed it there so people see that the IMPD officer shortage has a trickling effect in the community. FOP President Rick Snyder says the biggest way to bring the officer shortage to light is on one of the city's busiest interstates.
It captures where we're at and that it is what it is, and we really do need the public to understand the crisis that we're facing.
He tells 13 News Indy FOP and IMPD have stressed the officer shortage for years. He says if more officers aren't sworn in, it'll impact all neighborhoods. But he not only wants residents to hear their message, but also visitors coming in.
They're coming here for a conference, a convention, to do business. They want to know and believe that they're coming to someplace that is safe. And what we're here to say is we want to provide that safety, but quite frankly, our officers have both hands tied behind their backs.
According to IMPD, the 2024 appropriated and adopted budget fully funds 1,743 officers. As of April 10th, there are 1,477 officers. That means the department is down 266 officers. In a statement sent to 13 News, the department says IMPD continues to recruit both sworn officers and professional staff, including public safety officers and public assistance officers who can assist and respond to non-emergency incidents. Agencies, big and small, are facing officer shortages, and IMPD is no different. In Indianapolis, Anna Chalker, 13 News.
And clearly this is not a new issue. When Chris Baylor was sworn in as the new police chief earlier this year, he said officer recruitment and retention was the department's biggest challenge.
And as Anna mentioned in her story, it's something that other departments have faced as well. In fact, Chief Bailey told me he believes the last 4 years have been the most challenging time in the history of law enforcement. Wow. George Floyd calls for defunding the police, riots and civil unrest, a pandemic in addition to everything else, all the other stressors that they're facing right now.
Right, a really difficult time, and obviously now trying to take an unprecedented way to get more officers in.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah.